What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from Geekster Labs, and today I have a review for a very cool product that I've never had the opportunity to review on this channel. It's the SmOROBOT Tank XL Intelligent and Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. And this is a brand new product that was just launched, and it currently retails for $7.99 on Amazon, and I'll provide an affiliate link in the description of this video if you're interested in purchasing one after watching this review. So this is basically like a Roomba Robo Vacuum, but for your pool, and it's super simple to use, and it doesn't require an app or anything like that. And in just a second I'll give you guys a demonstration of how it works. But first we'll take a look at what comes included in the box, and then we'll take a closer look at the product itself, and after that I'll show you how it works and talk about its features and let you know how my experience has been while using the Tank XL. So without further ado, let's get to the review. So included with the XL is a few accessories. First off, we have the XL itself, which we'll take a closer look at in just a second. Next we have the AC wall adapter, which you'll need to charge up the XL's non-removable 10,000 milliamp internal battery. After that we have two filter baskets, one that's already inside the XL and then an extra filter basket. One of these is a standard filter and the other one is an ultra fine filter. So depending on the kind of particles that you want to vacuum up will depend on which basket you want to use. I would think that the ultra fine would be good for really small particles like sand and algae. Next we have two devices that you can use to pull the XL out of the water when it's done. So one is a floating ring with a floating rope that you can tie to the vacuum, and it'll allow you to pull it out of the water without getting into the water. Or you can use the included hook attachment with your pool cleaning pole to grab the XL from deeper water. So those are all the accessories, so now let's take a closer look at the X11. So the Tank X11 is aptly named because it really does feel like a tank. The construction of it feels really solid and it has some serious weight to it, weighing a little under 20 pounds. The entire body of it is made of really durable high gloss plastic and it definitely looks like it belongs in the water. The tank treads are made of rubber, so they can get a really good grip on different types of pool surfaces like pebble, concrete, tile, vinyl, or plaster like this pool. The wheel scrubbers are actually made of rubber, and they should do a good job of cleaning all those different surfaces as well. Eventually these will need to be replaced, but they will have them available for purchase on their site and on Amazon as well. The basket is stored in the back of the XL and it's really easy to remove for cleaning. On the side we have the battery charging port, which has a waterproof plug to make sure it doesn't get water inside. It takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge up the device, and it'll run for about 3.5 hours in your pool, which should be enough time to clean the average size pool. Besides that, the only other physical features of the X11 is the mode switch. So there's two mode options. The standard mode is what you would typically use to do a deep clean of the pool, but then there's also a fast cleaning mode for quicker, lighter cleanings. So let's get this bad boy in the water and let me show you how it works. So first off, as you can see, the pool isn't completely filthy, but it definitely needs a good cleaning. We have some dirt, dust, and leaves that need to be picked up. So I'm going to put the XL in the standard mode, and basically all you have to do is keep it still on level ground until the light turns yellow and then starts blinking. And then you place the X11 in the water slowly, and within minutes it releases all the trapped air in it and begins to clean your pool. That's really all there is to it. It's super simple. Make sure to turn off the pool pump before placing the XL in the pool. You'll also want to make sure that there's no large items left behind in the pool like goggles and things like that, because it'll definitely get stuck in the vacuum and make its job much more difficult. Now the walls of this pool are pretty curved, so it's easy for the X11 to go from the floor and go straight up to the walls. But even if your walls are straight up and down like certain sections of my pool, the X11 can still clean those as well. Steps and small corners can be a little tricky for the XL to clean, but the majority of the pool can still be serviced. When cleaning the walls, you can see that it works in like a V-shaped pattern to cover the entire area. And then when it's cleaning the floor, it works in like a U-shaped pattern to cover the entire floor. It's really similar to like a Roomba vacuum in your home. Keep in mind that the max depth of your pool to use the X11 is 9.8 feet, which is no problem with this pool since the deepest end of this is 6 feet. The X11 only took a little over an hour to completely clean this pool, and once it was done, it automatically stopped by the edge of the pool so you could pull it out with the floating ring. As you can see, it did a great job of grabbing all the debris from the pool and brushing the surfaces off. Now all that's left is removing the filter and cleaning it out, and once the X11 is dry, it'll be ready for a fresh recharge for the next cleaning. Overall, I was impressed with the precision of the X11 to systematically clean every inch of the pool. It definitely is more organized and precise than using the typical Polaris vacuum, which just kind of bounces around the pool in no particular pattern at all. But speaking of the Polaris that came with this pool, the one advantage of using that over the X11 is that it stays in the pool at all times and works off of a timer. Whereas the X11, I'll have to find times to drop it into the pool to clean it. But other than that, it seems to do a better job of picking up the debris than my Polaris, and it also brushes the walls and the floor of the pool, which my model of Polaris does not do. But for those with above ground pools that don't come equipped with a Polaris hookup, the X11 is probably the perfect solution for those types of pools as well. So that's it for this review of the SmOROBOT Tank X11 Intelligent and Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please post them down below in the comment section. And if you're interested in purchasing one of these for yourself, I'll have a product link down below in the description as well. If you want to check out some of my other videos, you can click on either one of these clips right here. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on my face, and don't forget to ring that bell to be notified of all my new reviews as they drop on my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video review.